And sometimes you have to go out of your fucking mind in order to make sense for yourself. Most of the time, things may not work out for you. Most of the time, things are not going to work out for you. Take it as an opportunity to learn. Because the right time is coming. And the lessons you acquired and the skills you got are the ones which are going to help you. Don't look at people who got lucky. Let's say Steve Jobs learned, I don't know, calligraphy, and then later on found where to apply it. You shouldn't be risking like that. He was one in particular, and no one will ever be like him. So, when I'm saying that you should have a lot of skills, even though they are not related to your field, is try a lot of things, not just studying. Yeah, you may have great insights from other people, but I feel like if you get in-depth study and from the field itself, you're going to be a very different person from the one who just studied it. Maybe from other people's experiences, maybe from books. But life is limited. Life is short. Sometimes it is difficult to know what you will learn. Becoming a billionaire is not that easy. You have to engage in a field that will work out. Most people would have become billionaires because they really work hard and they dedicate and they have passion in what they are doing. But the problem is the market is not that big. These things, people dismiss them, but they play a big role in how, in the status a person will rise to. The market. Is it scalable? Can someone replace you? So, think about that. I've wasted my entire life every single day. I swear to God, every single day. And I think I'm going to waste today. Unless I say no to just to that bullshit. And get my mind right to work. Yeah. My noise cancellation AirPods, so I won't be listening to her. First of all, what I'm going to do is yeah. Okay, so I left off. I wanted to build something. So I want to copy the APIs. So I'm going to Google Workspace, looking at the APIs. I want to copy the APIs. Most especially, I want this API, the email API, because it is not working in my N8N. So basically, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get the API. Where can I get the API? Let's take Gmail API. You know, I'll go to credentials. I can see it here, my credentials. So all I have to go, I have to go down and open it up. Okay. I'll copy this ID, client ID. I've copied the secret, so I'll come back to my NA10 interface. On my NA10 interface, what I'll have to do, the Gmail account, I'll create new credentials. Okay, then the client ID, I'll have to copy the one that I selected, and the secret. Credential has been successfully created, so I think we are all good. That is okay. That is okay. Let's try it out. Let's try it out and see whether it works. So we have account number 1, account number 2. See account number 1. So let's try and see if it works. Execute this step. So what you'll be seeing is it's just lagged, so it is lagging, but I think I finally fixed this one. I'm not really sure, but I hope it is fixed. Yeah, so basically what we are going to do, we are going to wait a minute to see the result we are going to get. So today our task was we were going to make sure that we develop AI powered, let me show you, AI powered YouTube clip creator. We are going to download any YouTube video and its transcript, analyze the content using Gemini AI. We already have these API credentials, and identify 3 to 5 viral worthy moments. The clip out the best segments automatically, and then they edit each clip with smart 9:16 ratio cropping for TikTok and Shorts, and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, precise timing and optimal length, professional style subtitles, and it is going to notify us on our email that it has already finished making the clips. So the requirements we are going to need are we are going to need a self-hosted NA10 because we need the command line access in order for this to happen, because this FFmpeg it only works on the command line. So we need the command line to be working. And then we are going to use this YouTube DIP installed We are going to look at the installation setup. We are going to look at everything. We are going to set up everything. So the credentials needed, we only need this. We just need the installation setup of the FFmpeg and the YouTube download, and that is the only installation. The credentials we need, we already have the credentials, so it is going to be a piece of cake. So the first thing, we are going to fill out the form. We're going to fill out the form with the video title and the YouTube URL. Then we hit the submit and wait for the magic. Check our email when the clips are ready. Find your edited clips in data clips. So yeah, the customization tips: adjust a clip count in filter out of the clips node. So modify subtitle styling and calculate relative subtitle size. Change aspect ratio in Gemini prompt. Currently 9:16 for vertical. So we can able to change that there. So adjust clip count, filter out top clips node. It is default. It is 10. Add your own editing steps in the pipeline. So in the pipeline, I'm going to show you the pipeline is. Pro tip: this workflow processes clips sequentially to avoid system overload. Adjust the weight nodes based on your system's RAM and CPU. So basically, that is it. So I think it is about time we get into business. The first thing is I'm going to show you the method that I use to learn these things. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to learn how to install. We are going to look at how we can install FFmpeg on Windows 10. Let's download the FFmpeg first. You have to go to the official page. Go to the official page. Click the Windows icon. Hope you are catching up. So I said that you go to the FFmpeg original page. Go to their downloads. It is here, as you can see it under above documentation. You don't download the source code. Scroll down below, click on the Windows button if you're using Windows. If you're using Linux, please click on Linux. If Windows, click on Windows. If Mac, click on Mac. Simple as that. Once you have clicked, it will show you the files that you need to download. So choose one of these. I prefer you to choose any. So I guess there's some problem somewhere. Let's take the second one. It takes us to GitHub. I think that we are going to find it much easier to download from here. So let's scroll down and see where we can get the files from. We need to download something which is installable on our machine. Oh my fucking god. So we are going to look for Windows. This one. This is Windows because this is Linux. So we are going to download the Windows. Don't download the source code. Download the Windows version. It is going to take time to download. As it is downloading, we have to go back and look at the next thing we have to do so that we can set up everything to be stayed by. Once we start moving forward, we move forward as one thing. So if you need this this workflow, comment down below. I'll be sending you this workflow. Comment down below. I'll be sending you the link to the workflow. We need to install this one. So we need to So we are going to download YouTube, download the DLP. I think we are going to get it from GitHub. Much easier to get it from GitHub. I'm not really sure. Try it out until you find it much easier for you to download it. So we need to download it for Windows 64. Now it is downloading, as you can see up here. Now up here it is downloading. So it has finished all of the files. What we are going to do is we are going to install this one. Installation seems easy. First of all, let's open it in files. Then click on it, try to install it. More info, run anyway. We don't really give a shit. We are already fucked up. We were born naked, and even if everyone finds out about our okay, YouTube, do not double click the executable. Instead, call it from the command line. From a command line, please. It has a lot of instructions on how to handle it, so I guess we'll give it a chance. I really don't understand anything. That is weird.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to install FFmpeg on Windows and also how to add the path of FFmpeg to Hey guys, welcome back to Chrome Geek, and in this video I will be explaining you that how to download, install and use FFmpeg on Windows computer. So you might have seen many other videos where people are explaining that how you can download and how you can install it, but they are not giving the proper tutorial that how to exactly use it. There are many people, like personally I got 4 to 5 people request that they want to know that how exactly to use it, because most of them they are failing because everyone is not so technical, right?
Back to a YouTube video.
Step by step. First, how you can download it, and then how you need to install it, and then how you don't use it. But I'm breaking all these videos to help you. So, to help me, please consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the red subscribe button. It's totally free. Okay. Let's start the video. So the number one, you just need to go to Google and the Google search FFmpeg. And you will be getting the first link, click on it. And now here in the green tab it says download, click on it again. And now here you have two options, either you can click on download source code or icon. So whichever, I'm explaining for Windows is Apple, okay. Now once you click on Windows built from gyan.de. You need to click on it. And then you will be redirected to a new website. Just scroll down to get section. Here, this one. And then click on the first link. So this is the exact link from where you can download it. And I will leave this link in the description. So click on it. And you will see the zip file is started downloading. Alright. So So what you need to make sure that you should have a zip extractor like WinZip or any other software through it should be in the down. So now I don't want, like sometime I accidentally right click on it, extract nation, so I have been using any other, and now I will go to my C drive and I will see that FFmpeg should be here now. There it is, okay. Now I already created before, so what you need to do is you just need to make it simple. You make a right click on it, rename, and delete all these suffix and just leave to FFmpeg. Okay, I have already one, so I was just explaining you. Name FFmpeg so that it can be easier for you to understand. Alright. Now once done, we need to add this folder to the path, to Windows path, so that whenever we use this command to convert any file, we do not need to manually open every time this folder. Okay. So in order to run it, you just come here on the search icon and search env. And just click on this link, edit the system environment in variables. And here the system properties will be up. You need to click on environment variables. Then again come to system variables here and look for path. If you need to open this, you can click on edit or you click on it. And now here we need to add the path. So how you will be getting? Just go back to C drive. So you need to open this folder and then open the bin folder. Now here you will see all these 3exe files which are required to run the commands. Okay, so we need to copy this command, so you can just click on the address box here and simply press Ctrl C or make a right click here and copy, click.
Well, today I don't feel like doing anything. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Well, today I don't feel like doing anything. Da-da-da-da-da. Look at me, because I know you ain't understanding anything that I'm doing, but I'm going to explain it.
I will delete this one. So once you add, you will see that the path should be here. Once done, click on OK, again on OK, and again on OK. So now you have successfully downloaded and installed FFmpeg on your Windows computer. Now I would recommend you that you should restart your computer before using it. Alright, so once you have restarted your computer, now you just need to open your command prompt that can be opened by typing cmd, and here you will be coming to your command prompt. Alright, so for example, now if you want to convert any pictures or if you want to reduce the size of the picture or videos, I would recommend you that you should keep those files under the pictures, documents, or in the videos folder only, not to any other like on desktop or to any other destination. This will definitely ease your task. Many of the people fail to use this command because they move the file to many different folders. Alright, so make it simple. Keep your pictures in the pictures folder and videos in the videos folder. Alright. Now if I go to the pictures, I have this one is a JPG file. Okay, so I will make this name shorter so that it should be easy. So the lady is brushing, so I'll